You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dears. Come on, shall we all do the warm-up activity? Come on.
I want
Yes, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Jog, jog.
What's going on? Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam.
Run, run, run. On. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Yeah. Relax. Sit down. Sit down, children. Rush, rush. Drink a glass of water and come back. Drink a glass of water and come back. Let's start our attendance, answer attendance in between. Sai Shivanya. Yes, Sai Shivanya. Sit properly, dear. Santosh.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Pranav. Arya. Yes, Pranav, sit properly, dear. Sai Priyan. Manasa. Jacinta. Krisha. Seshan. Hiteshri. Hiteshri. Very good. Nidulan. Rutvik. Nithvin.
Solomon.
Very good. Superb. So yes, 1 minute. We will do the recap of our parts of plants. Give me a moment. I'll take that. What are all the parts of plant that we had learned, children? What are all the parts of plant? Root, stem, leaves. Sorry, I lost it somewhere. 1 minute. So first we had learned root, then stem. After stem we had learned leaves. In the leaves part we had learned flower and the fruits. Right? First under the ground or the soil there were root, and from the ground the first thing that comes out is stem, the straight standing green line is stem. From the stem we'll be having side branches. In the branches we'll be having leaves. Leaves. Can you all imagine? Leaves. In the leaves part we'll be having flowers and the fruits. Okay. So can you all remember the flowers? What are all the flowers that we had learned yesterday? Can you all name any of the flower? What are all the flowers? Lily. Very super. What else? Lily. Okay. Marigold. Yeah. Yes. So yes, lily. Yes. Aster, lily, aster. Right? No, lily, aster. What else? Daisy, hibiscus, orchid. What else? Marigold. Very good. So today we are going to learn 3 more types of flowers. I'll tell you what are they. 1 minute. So let's recap of the flowers that we had learned yesterday first, and after that we'll learn the new flowers. So what flower is this, children? What flower is this?
Lily.
Lily. Very good. Lily. Lily has very few petals and will be in white color mostly. Okay. Lily flower. What flower is this? Yes. Aster. Aster. This flower is aster. Will be having purple color, many petals, and yellow in the center part. Yellow color in the center part. Superb. What flower is this?
Marigold.
Marigold. Super. Marigold is also an example for flower with many petals. See, you can see a bunch. No, that is a petals of that flower. We'll be having bunch of petals in marigold flower. Okay. Next, what flower is this?
Marigold.
No. Daisy. Yes, daisy. Daisy is also having many petals and yellow in center. Yellow in center. So difference between the aster and the daisy is aster mostly comes in purple color or pink color, but daisy mostly comes in white color. Somewhere we can see pink or red petals, but mostly we'll be having white color petals. Okay. Next. What flower is this?
Orchid.
Orchid. Very good. Super. The name of this flower is called orchid, which will be in purple color. Purple color. Always. Okay. Purple color. So what flower is this? Yes, hibiscus. Hibiscus and orchid are the example of flower type with a few petals. There will be only some number of petals. There will not be many like dahlia or aster. These flowers will be having very some petals which you can easily count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that you can count. It will not be more than 6 or 7 petals. These flowers are the example of flowers with a very some petals. Okay. Hope you recap these 6 type of flowers. Today we are going to learn a new type of flower called periwinkle. Periwinkle. Children, this is the flower called periwinkle. What flower is this? Come on, repeat the name. Periwinkle. Periwinkle. This flower is a bit dangerous because if you unknowingly eat this, no, this is called a death flower. This may cause you a serious disease and serious issues. So this is a dangerous flower. Periwinkle. Periwinkle. So what flower is this? Anybody has any guess about this flower? Tulip. Very good. Tulip. This is the flower tulip. The flower will be like this only, like a bud only. It will not bloom. It will bloom up to this only. Okay. This flower is called a tulip. Tulip will be having 2 or 3 petals to the maximum. There will not be more. Okay. This is an example for flower with some petals. And what flower is this? Do you have any idea about this?
Dahlia.
Dahlia. Exactly. Dahlia. Dahlia has many petals. You can see now in the picture itself so many petals. Can you all see the petals of this flower? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. See, these all are the petals of this flower. See the center part is there now, we cannot see because all the petals have closed it, have covered it. So that much petals are there for Dahlia. Dahlia is an example of flower with many petals. Many petals. Today we learned 3 new type of flowers. Are periwinkle is one. Periwinkle, this is the flower called periwinkle. This is the tulip flower. Tulip flower. And this is Dahlia. Dahlia flower. Okay. Periwinkle, tulip, Dahlia. From the first, we'll do recap of all the flowers for one time. This is our lily flower. This is our aster flower. You all know that this is the marigold. This flower is a daisy flower. Orchid flower, we know. Hibiscus. Now, periwinkle. This flower's name is periwinkle. And this is tulip. And finally, Dahlia. Okay? So, yes. Let's do a worksheet. For that, we're just going to do a matching activity. I'll tell you which worksheet is that. D35 CT worksheet. D35 CT worksheet. D35 CT worksheet. This is that worksheet. Match the flowers with the shadows. By the shadow itself, we are going to tell which flower's shadow is this. Okay. First, yes. Pranav, you tell me, this is the shadow of which flower? Which flower will be like this?
First or second?
Third idea. This is a tulip flower. Bam said, no, this will bloom up to this level only. This will not bloom like any other flower. This is a flower called a tulip. Here is our tulip. Right? Here is our tulip. Next, Hiteshri. First, look at the left hand side, then we'll match with right hand side. See, look at this. This is the Shadow of which flower?
Green.
Okay, this one.
Which flower?
Periwinkle.
Hiteshri, just be on mute.
State flower, state flower.
Periwinkle.
Super. Periwinkle, which is here,
This is
which is given
periwinkle.
first as
Which one?
here.
This one?
To match this.
Dahlia.
Others, please be on mute.
Dahlia. అది తులిప్ ఇది అది
Rutvik, please be on mute, dear. Next is, yes, Prisha, you tell me, this is the shadow like which flower given in the right hand side, sorry, left hand side.
this one. What flavor is that, ma'am? I don't know. Periwinkle.
It's an orchid, right? Orchid.
Orchid, okay. Orchid.
Orchid, this is the shadow like orchid given in the left hand side, right? Yes, you match this. Okay, and last will be answered by Shai Shivanya. What this flower is looks like which flower? The shadow is looks like which flower?
Dahlia.
Superb, Dahlia. Very nice. Now match the Dahlia to this. Okay, matching done. You two complete and fill the date. And today's date is dears 12. Yesterday was 11, no? And today is 12. Dot 8. Dot 20. 21. Dot 8. Dot 2021. Have you all completed yours?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Saishanya. Very good, Seshan. Very good, Manasa. Very good, Netherland. Very good, Nithwin. Very good, Prisha. Superb. Very good, Santosh. Very good, Arya. Superb. Wait for our friends to complete. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Cyprian. Superb. Cyprian is present there. I'll be marking.
Computer, ma'am.
Very good, Rutvik. Jacinta, very good. Super. Hiteshri, have you completed, dear? Yes. Super.
Yes, yes, computer, ma'am. Yeah.
Super. Very good. Nice. Now, we'll be having a quick recap of types of plants. Can you all remember we had learned 6 types of plants? Right? A well-grown plant is called what? A well-grown plant is called? Yes. Tree. Very good. Tree. Super. The yes, watermelon plant will be there. No, watermelon plant is an example for which type of plant? Watermelon plant.
Sound as
Creepers. Super. Creepers. Because creepers will grow along the ground because of the weight of the fruit. That is creepers. Okay. So which will grow along the support if you give to it stick or wall. Which plant is that? Climber. Climber. You know what is climbing? No, ஏறுறது மேல ஏறுறது. So climbers will grow up with the help of the support you give. Stick or the wall, whatever the support you may give, no, it will hold that and grow along it. That is climbers. Climb ஆகும் மாதிரி அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. It will climb with the help of the support. Okay, climber. Which type of plant will be having so many small branches? Second it all. Which type of plant is that?
sound actually.
Shrubs. Very good. Shrubs. Super. So What is the third tallest plant? We had learned, no? Herbs. Herbs are the third tallest. After shrubs, the herbs will be shorter than the shrubs and will be having green color stems to it. Superb, yes. So can you all give me an example for thorny plant? What could be the example for thorny plant? Rose plant. Super. See, for tree, you can take any tree as an example. Example, apple tree. We keep as apple tree. Okay, a lemon tree. Yes, any tree you can keep it as an example. Next comes to the shrubs. Shrubs. What can be the example for shrub type of plant is lemon. Lemon. Okay. And coming to the herb, you can keep mint or green leaves. Spinach are there, no? You can keep any one from these two as an example for herbs. Climbers, money plant, creepers, watermelon and pumpkin plants. Watermelon and pumpkin plants. Thorny plants which has thorns in it are called thorny plants, right? Example for thorny plant is rose plant. Rose plant. Okay, deal? Show me a thumbs up if you got it. Thumbs up. Okay, super dear. So yes, next we will learn a new letter in English. New letter in English. What was the last letter that we have completed? Check and let me know. What was the last letter? J. J, right? How will you write J? One standing line followed by a up curve and a dot on the top of the standing line. Is what letter? Is our small letter J. J. What is the next letter? What comes after J? K. Very good. Today we are going to learn small letter K. I'll teach you how to write small letter K. 1 minute. Everybody take your rough notebook or slate. See, how will you? Can we all remember how to write the capital K? For capital K, you will be putting a standing line first. Then from the first line itself, you will be putting a slanting line by touching the middle of the standing line and one more slanting line from the point where you stop the previous slanting line. This is our capital K. For small letter K, you know, see, we'll be putting a same standing line, same lengthy standing line, but these two slanting lines will be smaller in this. See, you have to start the slanting lines in the second half of this standing line. See, one slanting line like this and one more slanting line like this. It's a small letter K. See, understand the difference? This in the capital K will be starting the slanting line from the top itself. But in the small letter K, we are starting the slanting lines from the second half of the standing line. I'll be telling you how to write this in your 4 lines. 1 minute. Consider this as your 4 lines. So yes, now we'll write it. Okay. For capital K, start from the first line till the third line. The standing line will be, and the slanting lines from the first line till the middle line will be like this, and from the second line, the slanting line will turn to this, right? Like this. So now comes to the small letter K. Put the same standing line from the line 1 to line 3 and start putting the slanting lines from the second line. From here. Okay, the same way, but we'll be starting from the second line here. See. So you will be getting your small letter K. Small letter K. Hope you all got it. So have you all written small letter K for one time in your notebook? Very good, Nidulan. Prisha, where are you, dear? I can't see you. Yes. Now I can see. Very good, Sai Shivanya. So in this way, we are going to write the small letter K. Very good. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Jacinta. Very good. So many of you have completed. Now we'll write the small letter K in the worksheet. Worksheet number D34. D34. 34 LT worksheet. D34 LT worksheet. LT. D34 LT. So can you all see a boy standing in some position? What is the boy doing? What is it?
Karate.
Karate. Yes. K for karate. What is the sound for K? Ka. K for karate. Okay. See, ma'am said no. The slanting lines have started from the second half of the standing line. Now we'll write this. Come on. Put a lengthy standing line. Start the slanting lines here. One slanting line and one more slanting line. You will be getting your small letter K. Now write it over here. The given space for it. One stand. As ma'am said, start putting the standing line from the line 1 to line 3, but the slanting line should start from the second line only. Small k. Small k. The next K page will be your homework. Small k. Small k. Small k. Yes, ma'am, I've completed. And I'm going to fill the date. Finish? Very good. Do fill the dates too. 12 dot 8. Yes, if completed, please wait for me. 12.8.2021. Who has completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good, Srishant. Very good, Hiteshri. Very good, Jacinta. Superb, dear. Wait for our friends to complete. Pranav, have you completed? Yes, very good. Please wait. I think it's different. It's another page. Show me that page, Pranav. D34LT. It's very good, Arya. Okay. Very good, Pranav. Yes, very good, Prisha. Superb. So very good, Nidulan. Very good, Manasa. So have you all completed? Natveen, Hiteshri, Rutvik has to complete still. Jacinta too. Hiteshri, have you completed, dear?
You already showed it to ma'am.
Oh, she already shown. Okay. Rutvik and Jacinta, have you two done? Very good, Rutvik. Yes, Jacinta?
Yes, ma'am, writing.
Okay. Okay, right. So, okay, we had learned letter K today. K. K sound is what? K, K, K. K, K, K. Okay? K, K, K is the sound of letter K. So, we are learning a new rhymes. No? What rhymes is that? Yeah, vegetables, vegetables. Vegetables. Are you all started adding vegetables in your daily food? It will make you so stronger and grow so soon. So add vegetables in your daily food, children. Okay? Come on, let's sing the rhymes together. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in the salad. They are healthy to eat. So one more time. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in the salads. They are healthy to eat.
Mama, I want to sing.
Yes, come on, Prisha. You want to join with me? Is it?
Vegetable, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the field.
Buy them. Buy them.
Buy them and chop them and
Buy them and cook them to eat. Put them to the salad and healthy to eat.
super. So one more time. Come on, let's all sing together. You all sing in your words, okay? Come on. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the gardens and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in the salad. They're healthy to eat. Healthy to eat. They make you healthy. Okay? So one more time. See, avoid junk foods. Replace your junk foods with this vegetables. Okay? You will become more stronger. Junk foods are very, very unhealthy to you. So replace your unhealthy junk food with this healthy vegetables. Okay, dears? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in the salad. They're healthy to eat. Okay? Do you learn this? From Monday on. Tomorrow we'll be having celebration. From Monday on, before the class starts, we'll be recapping that. Everybody is going to sing this rhymes. Okay? So yes, now next is the maths time. Today we are going to learn two numbers. Till which number we have completed? Can you all remember that thing? Till which number for last few days?
21.
21. We haven't started yet. Till
21.
Yeah. Yes, you can go. 20. Till 20 we have completed, and after that we had learned some concepts for the last few days. Today we are going to continue from there. What comes after 20?
21.
Yeah, you're right. Number 21 is going to come. So how will you write number 21?
1.
Writing number 2 and 1 together is 21. Okay. See your worksheet number D31MT. D31MT worksheet. D31. 31. So have you all taken? So here some printing mistake. Hope you are having this pictures over here. 2 group of 10 and 1 extra marigold flower. Do you all have that? Please do confirm, children.
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Yes, right.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
myself will show. See, two group of 10 flowers. After that, we'll be having one. One group of 10 is 10. One more group of 10 is 20. Right? In the last class, we had learned now for 20. How did we learn? 10 plus 10, 20. 21. This is 21. Okay? No need to count each and everything. In a group, it will be 10 number of items will be there in a group. Group of 10 plus group of 10. Two group of 10 are 20 plus 1. 21. Okay. Let's write 21. Please take that. Yes, 21. How will you write 21? 2, 1, 21. Number 2, 1, 21. Let's write here. Let's see who will complete first. You or me? 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. And 2, 1, 21. I am the one who complete first. I won. I completed first. And the date is 12 dot 8 dot 20 21. Who else has completed? Ma'am have completed already. Ma'am is first. Who is Dan? Very good, Srisha. Super. Yes, very good, Srishant. Very good, Manasa. Yay, then we all first. You all joined. Sharing the first place. Very good. Let's wait for our friends to complete, okay? Right, continue writing, Hiteshri. Yes, Srishant done. Very good, Srishant. Wait for our friends to complete. Saibri and turn on your camera, dear.
Santosh complete சொல்லு.
Yes, Santosh is done. Very good, Santosh. Thumbs up. Yes, Pranav is done. Superb. Thumbs up.
அப்படி பண்ண முடியாது. கையால தான் பண்ணனும். கையால பண்ணு.
Yes, Santosh dear, please mute yourself. Nithwin, are you writing, dear? Turn your camera, dear, so that I can see how you are writing. Two, 1, 21. 2, 1, 21. Nidulan, where are you? I can't see you. Nidhulan sleeping and writing. This is not the right way to write. Come on, sit. Sit and write here. அடுத்துட்டு எழுதக்கூடாது. வெரி குட் சாய் சிவன்யா. உட்காந்து எழுதுங்க. ஒரு பேட் வச்சு எழுதுங்க. வெரி குட். சூப்பர் ஹிதேஸ்ரீ. வெரி குட் சாய் பிரியன். எஸ், வெரி குட் சாய் பிரியன். Jacinta done, dear? Okay, right. Rutvik, completed? Have you?
Say.
Oh, ma'am.
No. Okay, right. Jacinta done. Very good, Jacinta. So Nidhulan has completed? Very good, thumbs up. So Nithwin, you have completed it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Can I have a look at it?
Yes.
Dear the count.
Heart no la. Very good. Super. Super Nithwin.
Ma'am, nalla.
Hitesh done? Rutvik and Hitesh? No, Rutvik is writing slowly, no problem. Let's not force Rutvik.
Reading date and name now.
Okay, Hitesh. Let's not force Rutvik. Rutvik, you completed and share the picture of it. Okay, dear, I'll check in that. Now, shall we all play one game? Color game. We are going to play a color game. So, okay, I'm going to tell a color. You're going to pick up any object in that color. Are you all ready? Ready? Yes. So, first color is yellow. Get me an object in yellow color. Very good, Arya. Arya, super. Super. Jacinta, very good. Prisha, very good.
This light blue.
Hitesh's dress is in yellow color. Sai Shivanya bag, yellow color. Sishan car, Nidhulan car, yellow color. Very good. Yes, what is that, Manasa? What is that, dear?
Keychain.
Keychain. Very good. Yes, Sai Priyan, what's that?
Ma'am.
Okay, it's a game. Okay, hand game. Next. Rutvik, yellow color. So all brought yellow color, right?
Lemon.
Super ball. Yes, Rutvik.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Wow, lemon. Super, very good. Santosh. So, okay, now again. Color. What color do you like? Red color. Come on, fine. 21, 22, 23. Come on, fine. Red color object I want. Sashwina, run. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Done. Time up. Yes. All can show your red color objects like this at one time. Superb. Nithwin, where is the red color object? Sai Priyan, Nithwin.
JCB.
Superb. You all have brought some of the red color. Next. Color. What color do you like? It's blue color. So I'm going to count from 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23. Come on, blue color. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
Blue.
29 and 30. Bottles, many bottles, rings, pens, yes, blocks, car, engine, so many things I can see. Blue.
Blue.
It is wearing blue color dress. Yeah, blue. Or you can show your items at one time in the picture. Come on, in the camera. Yes, blue color gown, frock. Very good. Super, blue color. Next is color. Color, what color do you like? Is yellow color. Yellow already said. No, sorry. Color, color, what color do you like? Black color. Black. 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 21, 22,
சொல்லுங்க
23,
ஓபன் பண்ணு
24,
முடிச்சு இப்படி ஓபன்
25,
பண்ணு பிளாக் கலர் வாட்ச் மேம்
26, 27,
இப்படி இப்படி இப்படி
28,
முடிச்சு மேம் பிளாக் கலர் வாட்ச்
29, and 30. So you all are ready with your black color object? Yes? Show me all your black color objects. Superb. Remotes, headphones, calculators, water bottles, glasses, pencils.
வாட்ச்
What is that, Hiteshri? Yes, cat, car. Superb. All brought black color objects. Last one thing, last one color, okay? Color, what color do you like? What color shall I tell? Green? Green color? Green? Come on, get me a green color object. Sai Shivanya brought a very big bathtub. Super. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time up. Green color objects. Show me all your green color objects. Is headset, a green color small toy box, N and slate, the outline of the slate, borders, toy, water bottle, pencil, bowl, a capsicum, very good, and one crocodile. Santosh, what green color object did you brought? Yes, a car. Super. Had a look at all your green color objects. Okay. Now it's time for us to continue. Keep all your objects aside. Gaming time is over. Now let's continue. Okay. I will teach you to write how to write number 22. I'll teach you how to write number 22 now. So we'll write for first line alone. The remaining and all you can write it as a homework. How will you write number 22? 2, 1, 21. Then 2, 2, 22. Writing number 2, 2 together 22. It's 2, 22. See. 2, 2. Writing number 2 for 2 times together. 2 times together is 22. 22. Who will count and tell me how many balloons are here? Seshant, count and tell me how many balloons are here.
He is crying now, ma'am.
Oh, okay. You relax first. Till then, I'll ask somebody else. Okay. Prisha, you count and tell me how many balloons are here, Prisha. Prisha, we have 2 groups of 10 and 2 extra. Then how many?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay.
How
How many?
21, 22.
Very good. Super. Hereafter, no need to count each and every item from a group, dear. It is a group of 10. After 10, you can count. After 10, one more 10 is there. So 10 and 10, 20. After 20, 21 and 22. Like that, everybody can count. Okay. Now we'll write over the traced line alone for now in the class. The remaining 2 lines, 2 rows, you can write as a homework. Number 22. 2 to 22. 2 to 22. Writing number 2 for 2 times together. 2 to 22. 2 to 22. 2 to 22. 2 to 22. 2 to 22.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Then somebody else is first now. 1 minute. Let me complete it and come. 2 to 22. 2 to 22. 2 to 22 and 2 to 22. Stop till here. For now in the class you can you have to fill the remaining 2 rows as a homework. Okay, you have to picture it and share it to me. I will be checking it. And the date here, what is today's date? Well, finish. Very good, very good. Please fill the date too, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 12 dot 8 dot 2021. So have you all completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Very good, Srishant. So you are completed. No, it's a good news only. No, why are you crying and telling that? Happy. Be happy.
Ma'am, சிரிக்க சொல்றாங்க பாரு.
Happy சொல்லுங்க that I have completed, ma'am. Done. Like that you can say.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Very good.
With Byju's app, children.
So once all completed, we'll listen to the phonic rhymes for today. Okay, dears. Manasa, have you completed? Yes, very good, very good. Super. Sai Shivanya completed? No, then right. Yes, Hiteshri, very good.
Mommy went to see brother.
Your brother, you write. You know how to write number 2. No, you write number 2, 2 for 2 times. You will be getting 22.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, dear.
But now have to 12.
Okay. Very good, very good. All of you are writing. Others, please sit down sit down in one place till our friends complete. Yes, very good. Very good, Nitwin. Maintain patience. It's very good, Jacinta. Superb. Nidulan done? Show me. Yes, very good, very good.
Mama, and water.
Yes, you can drink, Prisha. Two, 1, 21, 2 to 22. Are you done, dear? Complete only over the trace line for now. The remaining you can.
I want to sing.
What, dear?
I want to sing.
You want to sing? What song?
I'm phonic.
Come on. You want me to play the rhyme? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Once all our friends completed, we'll do it, okay? Yes. Pranav, Rutvik, Santosh, Shai Priyan.
Mom.
Done? Have you all completed? Yes. Super.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished, Cyprian? Super. Now, yes, let's listen to the phonics rhyme.
Concepts forever.
1 minute.
Learning interactive and engaging with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
Here starts. Letter A.
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm.
B. Letter B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, but bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
C. Letter C. Everybody sit down and do the actions. We are clicking castanets. You can complete it afterwards. Now listen to the rhymes.
Clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets.
Next is letter D. D.
See me play on my drums, playing drums is lots of fun with the da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. See me play upon my drum.
Next is letter E.
Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this.
F. Letter F.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold me and came out.
Come on, all do the actions. I want everybody to do the actions. G. Letter G.
Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain. Water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle.
H. Letter H. Come on.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down.
Super. I. Letter I.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink of her red. The ink is spread all over the desk. The ink is wet.
J. Letter J.
Jillian jam, jiggling all the rate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja.
K. Letter K. Today we learned letter K, right? Come on.
Kites are
Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
kites are
Assume that you're playing with the kite.
in the sky. Kites are
Flying in the sky. Next is L. Letter L.
We lick the lollipops.
We lick the lollipops. We lick the lollipops. Yum. Letter Yum. My mom and the daddy make many meals.
The mom and the dad make many meals.
To their hungry children. Next is letter N. N. Hear the airplane.
Hear the airplane.
Risha, come on. Everybody.
Making lots of noise.
O.
Now it's time the lights go on.
Oh.
Time for bed, the lights go off.
Oh. P. Letter P. Cyprian, join with us.
On the pink cake. Half of the candles on the pink
letter R. What is the action for R?
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. T, letter T. When I watch the tennis game.
When I watch the tennis game.
Ch-ch-ch, ch-ch-ch.
When I watch the tennis game, my
Head goes back and forth. U, letter U. Abgromulas, abgromulas, abgromulas.
when it starts to rain.
V, letter V.
Try swam round the village. Try swam round the village. Try swam round the village.
W, W. What is the action for W?
I see the clouds moving.
Wah, wah, wah.
I see the kites flying.
Wah, wah, wah.
I see the trees bending.
Wah, wah, wah.
The wind
Is blowing strong. X. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Y. Letter Y. I like to eat,
I like to
eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. And the last letters, the E or Z. Everybody join.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz, a bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this.
Okay, that's it for today. Keep exploring, do learning. We'll see you all on tomorrow at the same time. We'll be having celebration tomorrow. Celebration. Be ready.